Do you ever feel like you're the only one who sees the possibilities of how we can transform our public health system? That mixture of feelings where you're feeling passionate but also frustrated at the same time? Just like my dog that you'll probably see in some clips. Well, guess what? You are not alone. You are exactly where you need to be. Hi, I'm Veronica, and welcome to Public Health Curated, the place where public health gets real and, if you can imagine, really joyful. This is a space created for public health professionals just like you, who are passionate and are ready to reignite their purpose and make a real meaningful change and join a community of impact shapers. Let me share something with you about my journey. Like many of us in public health, it wasn't exactly linear. I grew up in Chicago, daughter of two incredible immigrants, and as an ESL student in the public school system, growing up in a low to middle class household, I lived the reality of the systems we now work to improve. And plot twist, I started as an art major. Talk about a career curveball. That's right, I was at UIC following my artistic passion, and I did a 180 into healthcare. Sure, the imposter syndrome and the starving artist image in my head definitely played a little bit of a role in it, but really what drew me in was the opportunity to help others. When I discovered public health, it just felt right. My first love in public health was the food system. And oh, was I naive. I honestly thought I could change the world by changing school food and nutrition. After earning my MPH and trying to find the job in public health, I quickly learned the reality is a lot more complex. Fast forward 15 plus years in the non-for-profit and public health sector, I've worked in all kinds of settings, from public schools to healthcare systems, from community colleges to community-based organizations. And each opportunity has taught me something new. And even last year, I took a leap and started my DRPH. But along this journey, I've learned something that breaks my heart. And that is that our public health workforce is hurting. I've even felt my own spirit flicker. I've tasted that bitter cynicism that comes with working in systems where change feels like watching paint dry in slow motion, where your dreams of making a difference get tangled in red tape and reply all emails. That's why I created this channel, because I know that we can do better. This space, it's for all of us who want to feel heard, seen, understood, and most importantly, inspired again. So let's talk about what makes Public Health Curated different. We're building our community around 4 key pillars: rediscovering purpose and joy. Because remember why you started? Thriving, not surviving, because you deserve to feel good too. Cultivating creativity and innovation, because fresh perspectives create change. Growing our power together, because community beats bureaucracy. Here's what you can expect from this channel. Real talk about public health life. You know the stuff that we only usually talk about over coffee. Quick wins you can actually use tomorrow. I promise you, no 20-step implementation plans. Those, oh thank goodness, I am not the only one, stories that keep us going. And yes, we'll have some fun because public health people are not robots. Are you ready to join us? Here's what you can do next. Hit the subscribe button below. Head over to publichealthcurated.com to sign up for updates and exclusive content. And share this with a public health professional who needs this community. We don't gatekeep here. We are not creating silos anymore. Remember, public health, it doesn't just need your expertise. It needs your creativity, your spirit, your bold vision for change. Together, we're going to rediscover joy while making a real, meaningful impact. See you next time when we'll dive into self-care for public health pros. Because if I see one more just do yoga tip, I'm gonna scream, and that's coming from a former yoga instructor. Until then, keep believing in the change you want to see. Welcome to your community of bold dreamers and bold doers. That's you, Impact Shaper.